Hello, my dear traders. Very welcome to Uttum's Trading Academy. Do you want to become a professional and profitable day trader like me? Guys, I'm gonna teach you and I'm gonna guide you how to become a professional and profitable day trader. Guys, me and my Teddy, we are ready for today day trade. Are you ready, guys? Let's go for our today day trade. Okay, my dear traders, today also in my live account, 1500 bucks in the beginning of this trade, and I choose the currency pair, guys, AUD USD with 93% of profit, and the first investment is going to be $500. And let's push up with the market strategy, guys, and let me explain what's going on with the market, guys. Market is, oh shit, fuck off, guys, look at this. Oh my dear traders, I can't believe that, guys. I should have wait. Fuck. No, don't get panic. Maybe, yeah. It's changing. It's changing, guys. It's growing up little by little. It's growing up. Look at this. And the next green candle has appeared, and it has no shadow in the bottom of the candle, guys. In the green candle, guys, it means, guys, we have a very strong opportunity and it's growing up little by little, guys. Yeah, it's making my money, guys, making me profit, guys. Yeah. Okay, all right. With this currency pair I can make 93% of profit, guys. And okay, all right, make me happy, candle, make me happy. Okay, yeah, made it, guys. $965, and let's change the currency pair and let's push down. So far so good. Let me explain what's going on with the market, guys. I found some resistive zones and supportive zones, guys, and the market is bouncing in between resistive zones and supportive zones, and I'm guessing it's pushing down until to the kind of resistive zone, guys. Until that, guys, we have that opportunity with the selling option, and it's pushing down right now. So far so good. Yeah. I think, yeah, everything is perfect. Yeah, everything will be perfect. At least, guys, my goal is today, I'm hoping at least minimum to get more than 3000 clean profit, like $1500 minimum. I mean, maximum I don't know, guys. Maybe 10,000 or 20,000, maybe. Okay, I'm guessing, yeah, another $945, and let's push down again, guys. Just follow the trend, guys. As I told you, guys, there are two resistive zones and one supportive zone appeared, and guys, it's pushing down until to the resistive zone, guys. So far so good. We have that opportunity, and look at the below RS indicator, guys. Pay attention on it, and it's a kind of really weird, strange RS indicator. So that's why I'm highly recommending you to that, when it's happening like some strange weird RS indicators. So use the candlestick strategy, candlestick pattern, the market behaving with the it's like you can get some real-time analysis about the market through candlestick strategies. So follow the trend like that, guys. Okay, all right. I'm gonna make it, guys. Look at my another profit, guys. Another one, $945 profit, guys. And let's what to do, guys, here. There is a very good trend, guys. That's why I choose to push down, guys, and just follow the trend, guys. And it's hitting the bottom and turning up, guys, the market. According to the RS indicator, when it hit the bottom, when it has been reached into the over sell zone, guys, so the market should be changed, and it's pushing, it should be pushing up, guys. So so far so good. We have this opportunity right now. So, oh shit, what's going on, guys? Yeah. No matter. Okay, all right, guys. And guys, if you want to become a professional and profitable day trader like me, guys, all you have to do a really simple thing: go to the below description and follow my VIP Telegram channel. In my VIP Telegram channel, there are a lot of educational, my tactics, my analysis and day trading online updates, everything available there. You can improve your knowledge. And I lost. And let's go with 1000, guys. Let's hurry up and let's push up, guys. As I told you guys, when it hit the bottom, guys, it's happening according to the RS indicator. Look at these, guys. I told you that in the previous one, guys, I told you that when it hit the bottom, guys, it's turning up, guys, growing up with the green candle. So as I told you, something happened like that. So that's why I lost my $500 a little bit before. Okay, it doesn't matter. Don't get panic, don't get nervous. We are our mission and vision and goal is, guys, at the end of the day, making a good profit, guys. So for your experience, guys, you need to lose money, you need to win money, but at the end of the day, guys, you need to make a real good profit, guys. It doesn't matter how much you lose, how much you earn. At the end of the day, earn more than losses, guys. That's our vision. As I told you, guys, $1,800 another profit, and let's push up with $1,000 again, guys. Okay, all right, maybe okay, guys, I think I'm tired with this market, guys, for today. I'm really tired, and I did some experiments today also. So by the way, today it's enough for today. After this one, I'm going to stop the trading, guys. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more additional videos like this, for more additional educational and tactical videos like this. And if you're a beginner for this video, don't forget to watch my previous videos and hit the like button for this video and my previous videos. It will really helpful for me for future. And don't forget to share it with your trading friends, guys, your traders, your friends, best friends, guys. Okay. All right, I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna stop it. Okay, guys. Oh no, I didn't make it. Okay, all right, I didn't lost, I didn't make anything, but at the end of the day, as I told you, guys, $3,155. It means, guys, I have made more than $1,500 at the end of this trade, guys. My dear traders, as you saw today, me and my Teddy, we have made $1,655 profit, guys. It's a good profit, but it's a really not really best profit for me as a professional day trader. So by the way, so for the good, guys, for me it's enough for me today, and I'm tired, really tired, and that's why I decided to stop. And guys, if you want to become a professional and profitable day trader, all you have to do a really simple thing: follow my instructions and follow my tactics. Let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Uthup Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys. Stay tuned.